This is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So first of all, you will need to launch settings, then enter the Wi-Fi category. From here to your top right, you should have these three vertical dots, so tap on them, go for the More Settings page, and at the More Settings page, simply open the Wi-Fi data usage section. And in here, you can see the general amount of Wi-Fi data used, or the, net amount of network used through the Wi-Fi, as well as you can additionally open the data usage by app page and see the detailed stats or detailed data on how much data each application or service have been used or have used already. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.